Hey there, fellow data enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode of BI Structure. Today, we're diving into the world of data analysis using Power BI. So, grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's explore the step-by-step journey of turning raw data into insightful visualizations. Alright, folks, the first stop on our Power BI adventure is data import. This is where we gather all those scattered pieces of information and bring them together in one place. You can pull data from various sources like Excel, databases, and even the cloud. Now that we have our data, let's give it a makeover. Data transformation is like putting on your favorite outfit. You clean, filter, and reshape the data so it's just the way you want it. This step ensures your data is ready to shine. Data modeling. Think of data modeling as introducing your data to each other at a party. You establish relationships between different data tables, helping Power BI understand how they're connected. This sets the stage for some powerful analysis later on. Data visualization. The magic begins. In this step, we take those rows of numbers and transform them into visually appealing charts, graphs, and tables. Think of it as creating a story, only this time, it's your data that's doing the talking. Creating reports and dashboards. Now that we have our visuals, let's put them together into meaningful reports and dashboards. Reports are like chapters in a book, while dashboards are the book covers. They provide a snapshot of your insights at a glance.